Hello everyone, welcome you all in Knowledge Center Computer. If you are a new user on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification first. In this class we are going to discuss a very important difference between SQL and MySQL. This is a very important topic regarding 11th-12th class also, those students who have IP in their subject, because in many exams also it is asked by them difference between SQL and MySQL. In their practical exam also Viva section they can ask you difference between SQL and MySQL, because that is the part of our syllabus. And in many higher exams interview also interviewer asks difference between SQL and MySQL. So we are discussing here what are the differences and how they are different. So start with this difference between MySQL and MS SQL. As you can see on this screen, we have included some topics, difference between SQL and MySQL. As you can see on this screen, SQL extends for structured query language. SQL is a standard language which enables a user to design and manage database. It means SQL full form is that structured query language, and it's a standard language which enables a users to design and manage database. Whereas MySQL is a relational database management system, that is RDBMS, that allow a user to store and retrieve data from the database. MySQL uses SQL to perform specific operation on the database. It means it is RDBMS concept, and this is enables to user design, manage and database only. Second is developers. SQL is developed by Microsoft Corporation and named as Microsoft SQL Server, that is MS SQL. Remember this, SQL is developed by developer. SQL is developed by Microsoft, as MySQL is developed by Oracle Corporation. It means SQL is developed by Microsoft and MySQL is developed by Oracle Corporation. Its name is a combo pack of my co-founder daughter name and structured query language. Third difference is that availability. SQL is not an open source software and hence not available free of cost. It means this is Microsoft product, that's why it is never free, it is proprietary software. MySQL is open source software which is available free to all. Fourth point is platform supported. SQL was originally developed for Windows operating system only. It means Microsoft product is this one, so it is only supporting operating system is Windows. Currently it is supported by Linux and Mac OS also, but MySQL works well with Windows, Mac OS, Linux and Solaris platform also. It means when SQL was invented, that was only for Windows operating systems, but MySQL was all the operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris also. Next is programming language supported. MS SQL supported on programming languages such C++, Go, R, PHP, Python, Ruby, Visual Basic. And MySQL itself is a programming language. So we can say MS SQL is using different types of programming language or supporting different types of programming language. MySQL itself a programming language. So next, storage engine. MS SQL, that is Microsoft SQL, supports only a single storage engine, whereas MySQL supports a multiple number of storage engines. Next, security offered. MS SQL provides higher security jobs. It does not allow database files access or manipulation through other processors or through its own binaries at its execution. It means provide a highly security jobs. It does not allow databases file access or manipulation through other processors or through its own binaries at its execution time. So it is also secure. And MySQL is a less secureable server because it allows database file manipulation by other processor or its own binaries, its own execution. Here we can say MS SQL provides higher security in compared to MySQL. Next is syntax. How the syntax are different in MS SQL and MySQL. The SQL syntax is easy to use and implemented. For example, to implement the length function, following query will be used as per. In MS SQL, how we are using select length of is required string from table name. Same query if we are using in a MySQL, so little bit typical to use and implement. To implement the length function, following queries will use like that: select character length, request string from table name. So it looks little bit typical to compare to MS SQL. So we can say both are the on advantages and disadvantages. On the basis of these 7-8 differences, we can explain how they are different. So remember these topics because very important topic regarding your interviews. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, please like it, share with your friends and comments also. So we are going to motivate by your comments and likes. Thank you.